Welcome back to the internal workings of a starter. In part 1, we covered how the contactor switches power to the motor. In part 2, we'll focus on the overload relay and how it protects the motor from overheating and damage. An overload relay is a motor protection device. It monitors the current drawn by the motor and trips when that current exceeds safe operating levels for too long. In a motor starter, the overload relay works alongside the contactor. While the contactor turns the motor on and off, the overload relay protects the motor from overheating caused by sustained overloads. Inside an overload relay are heating elements, bimetallic strips, a trip mechanism, and auxiliary contacts. These components work together to detect overload conditions and interrupt the motor control circuit. During normal operation, the motor draws current within its rated range. The heating elements warm slightly, but not enough to activate the overload relay. When the motor becomes overloaded due to excessive load, mechanical issues, or voltage problems, it begins drawing more current than normal. As the current increases, the heating elements cause the bimetallic strips to warm up and bend. Once the bending reaches a critical point, the trip mechanism is activated. When the overload relay trips, its auxiliary contacts open the control circuit. This de-energizes the contactor coil, causing the contactor to open and shut off power to the motor. After the overload condition is corrected and the relay has cooled, it can be reset, either manually or automatically, allowing the motor to be restarted safely. The overload relay doesn't protect against short circuits. That's handled elsewhere. Its job is to protect the motor from long-term overheating, extending motor life and improving system reliability. Part 3 of this series will explore the motor protection circuit breaker, or MPCB, and how it combines short circuit and overload protection in a single device.